Good day, everyone. This is the second problem for taping corrections using incorrect tape length. Let's read the problem. A rectangular lot was measured using a 50-meter steel tape which was found to be 0.025 meters too short. If the recorded length and width of the lot are 180.455 meters and 127.062 meters respectively, determine the following: actual dimensions of the lot, and the error in area introduced due to erroneous length of tape. Okay, so let's write out the formula first. The formula again is correction to be applied is equal to small l minus small l prime divided by small l prime multiplied by big L. Now what we're going to do is we are going to correct the length first. Okay, so correcting the length. So to apply the formula that we have, okay, so now what is our L? So before we substitute, what is our L here? So our L, our given, is 50 meters and it's found to be too short. So that is 50 meters minus 0.025 meters. So that is our L. So what will we get? So if we use our calculator here, so we will have 50 minus 0.025, we will have 49.975.975. Okay? And our L prime here is of course 50, and the L are 180 and 127 depending on what we're correcting. Let's go back to the problem. So our L without the prime here is 49.975 meters minus 50 meters all over 50 meters, and then we multiply it by the length, which is 180.455 meters. Okay, so we will get, if we do the calculations there, you will get negative 0.09 meters. Okay, so to get the actual length, we will subtract this correction to the length that we were given. So the correct length will be equal to 180.455 minus 0.09 meters, and for that you will get 180.365 meters. So this is now our corrected length. This is our correct length. Okay? So there you have it. Now let's go and find our correct width. So correcting the width. So let's apply our formula again. So we have, we can just substitute here negative 0.025, but let's write it out for clarity. 49.975. Oh, sorry. Let's erase that. .975 minus 50 meters divided by 50 multiplied by our width, which is 127.062 meters. Of course, these are all meters. And then the correction to be applied, if we do the calculation there, is negative 0.064. Okay? So these corrections are negative. It makes sense because the length of our tape is too short. Okay? So the correct width now, the correct width of this particular lot is 127 0.062 minus 0.064, right? These are all meters. And then you will get our correct width will be 126.998 meters. So this is our correct width. Okay? Oh, sorry for that. This is our correct width. Now let's move on to, so we've done this. This is letter A. Now let's move on to letter B. Let's find the error in area introduced due to the erroneous length of tape. Okay, so let's find first the erroneous area. Okay, the area before, let's just call it the area before correction. Okay, just write it here. So let's have it right here. The area before correction is equal to, so let's just multiply this old value, the uncorrected value, this one and this one right here. So we are going to multiply those. So if you multiply those, you will get 22,928.973 square meters. Now let us now determine the area after correction. So if you multiply this one right here and this one, what will we get? We will get now 22,905.994 square meters. Now, what is the error in the area? Okay, so you can subtract before minus after, or after minus before. So depends on what you want to get. If it's just the difference in area, then you can get the absolute value. So in our case, let's just use the before minus after. Okay, the larger uncorrected one versus the smaller corrected one. So the error in area is equal to, if we subtract 22,928.973 minus 22,905.994, we will get 22.979 square meters. Okay, so this is it. So the corrected area is smaller by 22.979 square meters. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new here, and we'll see you in the next video.